here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to check serial number on this device. So to do that, you have two different methods. The first one, you open phone application, open keypad on it, and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and this code displays your serial number. And the second method, you open settings, you go to the about phone section, then you go to the all specs, status, and then model, and here you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.